kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome back to Square One Kitchen. Today we are making crepes, French pancake. First, as we see, we need 4 eggs, a cup of water. And I find this recipe is actually quite simple. You make it in the evening, put it in the fridge overnight. Next morning you make the crepes. The only problem is I don't know how to flip a crepe. I find that quite difficult for me, flipping a crepe. It's a technique, but my dad has mastered it, so we are okay on that part. Crepes are really good. I have mine normally with lemon and sugar, but most people I know just have like yogurt and fruit, or like whipped cream and Nutella, you know? But you can basically have it with anything. For my parents' anniversary, I actually threw a party and I made them savory crepes. It had ham and cheese, and then the crepe batter, it had a bunch of herb and stuff like that. It was really good. So that is always an option to go savory mode, and they're also great for freezing. You can freeze the leftover crepes in a Ziploc bag. Just put a piece of parchment paper in between them so they don't freeze together. To reheat them, just pop them in a fry pan for a few seconds. That always worked for us. You want to make sure the batter is smooth, so blend for a minute or two and stop every 30 seconds to scrape down the sides. Like I said, you put it in the fridge overnight, bring it out, and then when it's ready to cook, you can really take it out at any point. The crepe will come away from the edges when it's done, so you can wiggle it around and then you can start moving it back and forth to flip it. Now this is the part I find the hardest. A lot of crepes have died because of me falling off the floor of the fire. Oops. Another option for flipping, you can use a spatula, which is perfect. Just keep repeating that, and then you have a bunch of crepes. Yeah, you gotta do this a lot. To speed up the cooking process, we normally use 2 pans at a time. The batter doesn't last that long, the crepes do. And you can freeze them the same as if you would freeze a waffle, and heat them up later just in a frying pan. Then you add your favorite fillings. Enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe and follow us. Recommend us to your friends, and that's it. All you have to do, easy peasy crepe batter. You can have this with friends, dinner parties. Bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.